Hello, hello, this is Cara, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're getting all your stuff marked off your Christmas list, things to do. And I thought I could take some time and work on a page in my December daily. So I've been struggling with getting my, where's the page I wanted to do? Pictures printed, but, oh, here it is. I've kind of been here and there and everywhere. I know it's a lot later of a date, but I was looking at the prompts and I wasn't sure where to put this. So there's a few days early on that I've missed that I have to go back and do, but I thought this would be a good place to use a big picture like this. Okay, so anyway, I'm saying too many things at once. I have been struggling to get my little printer to print. Like, I've obviously got this to print, but it took, I don't know, an hour or two for it to cooperate. And so, yeah, I have not printed as many pictures as I'd like because I've just been getting frustrated. But because I had this picture, and then I actually have this picture, I thought, all right, I'm gonna turn on the camera, the phone, and do a little, junk journaling. So this picture, and it has nothing to do with the day 6 prompts. I'm just gonna put the picture because I can. This picture is my daughter and I, we had our hair done and I took a selfie of our cute haircuts. Super, super cute. The problem with a cute haircut is trying to get it to look the same way after you go home. But all right, yeah, it looks super cute. All right, I think I'm gonna put this on this page. And I want something behind, maybe this or that. I think I kind of, let's see. So these are the Tim Holtz, this one's not bad. Special handling. It's kind of fun. Or just this. These are the Tim Holtz journaling cards that he came out with. Red, no. A recipe. I kind of like that actually, because it kind of goes with, coordinates with the other side of the page. All right, so I'm just going to kind of layer that up, I think, like that. I feel like I was saying something and I lost my train of thought. I don't know. But these are the Tim Holtz journaling cards, and I used them quite a bit in my accordion journal. So I have a few kind of left over. Do that. This. My daughter's so funny. She's like, Mom, I don't like my smile, so I'm just going to make a face. I'm like, okay. Oh, that's silly. Silly, silly. And then I want a label somewhere. Here's my tub with labels. Nope, not that one. And then I'm going to put, like, write the word haircuts or something on there. I want red. Probably blue. Let's go with blue. And something to write with. I think I'll use this. I've been using this green pen. I think I'll just write new haircuts. And you know what? I'm going to do it on the bottom. New haircuts. And then I'm going to trim this off. So then it will kind of look like this was tucked under here. Yeah, I like that. And then glue this on. So you have to let me know in the comments if you've been doing a December daily or if it's just a little too crazy right now. I'm kind of behind because it's a little crazy right now. And then I'll probably do something over here, but I wanted to have this picture over here. It's definitely crazy, but I'm trying. Last year, I think I mentioned that I got to like day 3. Previous years, I managed to get it all done. So I'm really hoping to get it completed this year. All right, and then I have this doily that maybe can be like an accent behind this picture. I'm just gonna rip off a portion. Like that, or do I want it over here? I think that works. So this picture is the day that I actually attempted to do her hair, and it turned out pretty cute. Recently, yeah, she's like, no, Mom, I don't want you to do it. But then one morning before school, she's like, all right, do you mind trying? And I think I did a pretty decent job. My husband had to take my son because he would have been late because they have different starting times. But her hair looks cute. You just have to now work on, you know, completing it in a timely manner. I think I'll just do this as a little accent over here, like that. Making loud noises with my glue, sorry. Like that. And then we have to trim this part off. So some people I know make their, do I want that? No, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Make their journals super elaborate, and I'm one for easy. Just because like I said, it takes a lot of time, you know, and getting pictures printed is hard. So I just kind of do easy little layouts with little notes, or you know, sometimes I will write, like, where is it? See, like I wrote my to-do. So I do write things, my letter to Santa, temperature, but a lot of times it's easy just to make a little note. I'm gonna write, Mom salon. Mom, or should I say I did Kayla's hair? Maybe I'll say I. That one's kind of too big. Yeah, maybe we'll go with red. I think I used my other blue. All right. I did Kayla's hair, and it looked pretty darn good. Smiley face. There we go, and I'll just add that right there. There we go. So we have that. I need something here. So let's see. I think I'm just gonna kind of collage, and maybe to kind of tie it together with the other page I'll use a little doily. And then maybe one of the smaller cards. Let's see. That one's kind of fun. So that's an option. I really love these That one's kind of fun with the green up here. I might have to get another piece that I didn't rip. It might bother me unless we hide it. Maybe like this. Okay, yeah, I like this dark with that. Okay, let's see what else I have. Kind of collected a couple things. Oh yeah, I have this arrow that I thought would be fun to kind of point at her hair. Is that silly? I don't know. Maybe we could point at us. Nah, I think I'm gonna pass on that. I do have these pulled out that say holiday cheer, so maybe we'll add those. All right, let's glue this on. My glue's kind of exploding. Like that. I want some of the stamp that's already on the page showing. Make sure I'm in frame. Put that like that. We can add maybe holiday cheer. That covers that up, or maybe just holiday, because cheer might be too big there. And I also have more of my little fabric-y scraps that I made. Maybe we can layer some of this up like that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, these are super fun and easy to make, and I really enjoyed just using just a little bit, you know, of little decorative fabric. I think it's kind of fun. I want some of the fun stitching showing. There we go. There we go. So that's cute. Little decoration there, and there she is there. And then I'm not sure, maybe I'll add a little collage on this side. And maybe tuck another, just to kind of tie it together. That's what I'm gonna do. Super simple, but it gives a little something, because I don't think I'm gonna journal or do anything else on this page. There. Make sure that's stuck on there. And there we go. I'm going to add, I have this little 25 cents or 25. I guess it's not 25 cents. It could just be the date. I'm going to stick that right there. Super cute. Super simple. Okay, that's not bad. So we have that, and we have that. Oh, I need a little more glue. Come on. I'm gonna have to hold that down just for a second. And there we go. Oh man, glue explosion. Yeah, cute. 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 Okay. Well, there we go. All right. I hope you enjoyed taking a little time to do a page in my December daily with me. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.